Well, it did stop recording. Weird. Weird. So there's to it. It's weird. Let me clean this off with a brush a little bit. On the back side. I was going to use the little one over there, but it's actually a little milling machine. So it doesn't want to take the bit that I had because it's a mini. And I was thinking of maybe the chuck, because over there it takes those little inserts, which suck. Okay. So this is going to be just ducky. The only thing I do is I gotta get online and order some wire and some lugs. Nope, you don't go there. I don't think I have enough of the wires. Where'd this come from? Oh, this is a side cutter for the milling. That's the biggest the chuck is. And if you try to sand it down, you know, the tip, if it's not straight, it's going to wobble. So you're better off just leaving shit alone. Which means I'm only going to need wire. But that's, I think, going to be too big. Yeah, get on there. Don't be falling off. Well, fall off, see what I can tell you. No. I can probably make these red ones work. And the ones I'm going to put on black, I'll put on black. I'll paint them black as well. So when you're on the other side, you'll kind of know what you got. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put one back. I like to have the hole a little smaller, but it's not going to happen. Alright, so that's it. So all I need is wire. And then I can go a little bit heavier from here if I have to. But I think this is going to be okay. Now, what I want to see is this going to... And let's find the right one. We want blue up. All right, there. And then we're going to do another one. Blue up. So let's cut off red, like red. Red, no, black. Black, black, black. red. Up behind you. Black, right. Red. Well, we're finally to a point to where we got something going here, because I know I have enough wire to attach to these, because I have anywhere from 8 on up to 12, I think, or down to 12, if you want to call it. Up, down. The smaller the number, the fatter the wire. Tighten them up. Actually got the heat on a little bit today. I'm starting to get a little warm, but yet it's chilly. You know what I mean? Crazy day. Crazy day. There we go. I don't know if I have it on tight or loose. Loose. Go tight. Let's go tight. Actually, yeah, I could have put the circles on them. The white. Yeah, there's plenty of room. But I'm not going to go crazy. I'm not taking them off. If I have to take a wire off to fix it, well then I'll put it on that one. Well, that'll look kind of funky. Maybe it won't. Maybe it won't. I wish I remembered this sooner. How many times did I have to turn this? I did it. Oh, let me hold the back side. That'll help.